Hello, little Kiras, welcome back. I became imposter. More specifically, the Viper. The best role after decades. I ran to fake admin task. Then I sabotaged lights and was looking for a kill, and luckily found Red alone, killed. Locked the doors, and my great teammate killed Noisemaker. That shifts everybody's attention. The body was found, but we skipped lack of information. Then went to see Banana's asteroids, so that he trusted me. Then I was looking to kill someone. Then Gray and Banana came, and my fellow partner too. I didn't want to kill my pawn, but Tan killed him. And I took Gray. Soon the body was found. And I saw only 5 people are there. And I said I had trash. Purple accused Tan. But I created a conflict that it's either brown or tan. Purple got confused too. And we voted brown out. And won the game. Subscribe.